studies. I feel like I should concentrate more on movies.
Tell me something about your co-star Teju.
He's a very, you may all know, he's very active. He's always, very active on sets. He's interacting to everybody. He's making fun of everybody, and he keeps the set very lively. So yeah, and he helped me a lot with my language.
So share the experience with director S.S. Raj. So how comfortable you are.
I was really comfortable working with Raju sir because the biggest thing that he offered was the freedom for me to portray my character because it's already a set character, it's already established in Malayalam. So he told me that I don't want anything like that. You can do the character in your own way. So for me, that freedom to portray that character in my own way, I think that was the biggest liberty that he gave me. And he's a very soft-spoken, very calm person. There's no stress, there's no pressure. He just come tell me what he wants, and I have to go ask him, sir, is this okay? Is there any problem? And he's very soft and very calm.
Is there any challenging scenes for you in this movie?
Challenging scene. I feel like the entire journey of the movie is a very intense. It's set on a very intense plot, so I had to maintain that intense mood throughout because it's a story that happens in one night. So I had to like maintain that intense character, that intense mood throughout. I feel like 2, 3 schedules, it was the same intense mood for me. So maybe that.
You are a jovial person in real life,
Yeah.
and how difficult to transform into that.
It's actually it wasn't a like task or anything because for me only the space between action and cut is when I transport somewhere else. I just let go of everything. And right before action, I'll be smiling, laughing, doing something on my phone, and after action, it's just an entirely different world. So I feel like that happens in a switch between that time.
Tell us about how was the Russia trip?
Russia trip was really nice because I think after 2 or 3 years I got to travel international, and so we basically went there because my friend's family is already settled there. So he wanted to meet his friends. So we all just tagged along because why not? It's another international trip. So 10 days I went there, visited a lot of places, and had fun.
You were actually not seen in the promotions of your first film, dear chick. Any specific reason?
Huh? I was not seen.
Not much active actually.
I was here for 4 days promoting it.
Yes,
You were
yes.
there, no?
Yeah.
I was here for 4 days. I was giving interviews with Nitin Garu. I was giving solo interviews. I was here for 4 days doing all the promotions.
Sorry, sorry.
Check result. What feedback ఎలా అనిపించింది?
Feedback, I feel like personally, a movie, even if it does well or not, there's a sort of artistic satisfaction that we get. Maybe it didn't do well commercially, but I feel like I did my part and I got a lot of good feedback for that. Especially Chandu sir told me that, Chandrasekhar Reality sir told me that, you're going to make it big. You've done really well in the movie. So I feel like those small things are enough for an artist to move ahead.
తేజస్ సజ్జా బిఫోర్ మీకు ఏమన్నా పరిచయమా హీరో?
Kadu, when I got the offer, I looked up and then I found out I had watched Oh Baby, but I didn't know his name. So I was like, oh, this is Teja Sacha. And then I met him and I was like, okay, now I know him. And I watched a couple of YouTube videos where he's doing that Choda Kota scene and all that. That's all.
So what are your upcoming projects?
I have actually started shooting for another Telugu project. The official announcement is not out yet. So soon I will update about that. Yeah.
Compared to Malayalam industry, Telugu audience expecting drama side. Are you okay for that?
More of a romantic side?
Yeah.
Yeah, as I said,
Actresses are portrayed in a more romantic roles. So they remain as a moreover a glam
glamour.
So are you worried about the the screen space you get in the
I'm,
on the
I'm
screen?
not as such worried about it. I feel like it also depends upon how you choose your movies. So I feel like if I keep a healthy balance between character roles and commercial roles, it's fine.
You are the original audience for the Malayalam film actually. It is in your native film actually. You watched the movie and you have acted in the film. You may have seen some rushes. What do you feel actually? How do you feel the difference between both the films, the original and this?
We have not touched the story at all. The story is exactly the same, but again, making wise and technical things, there are certain changes that you have to make when it comes to a movie that comes from a content driven atmosphere and a commercial atmosphere. There are some changes that you need to make. So other than that, I don't feel like we have touched the story at all. It's the same and the plot remains the same, but only small technical and making changes we've made.
Is there any upcoming films in Hindi and Malayalam?
I've not accepted anything in Malayalam yet. I'm waiting for a very strong character-oriented movie because that's what people accept in Malayalam and that's what they expect from us. So I'm waiting for a really good project in Malayalam. And Hindi, I've shot for 2 movies. One shooting is pending. So even those updates, I'm waiting for it to come.
Title, pending name, movie name.
Pending movie, we've not titled it yet. So we're waiting for that.
I saw one of your Insta stories saying that what I do with my friends is my pleasure. Is there any particular reason to react like that?
So there's this friend of mine who's an influencer. His name is Sharan Nair, and he makes funny videos. And his vlogs are actually, we pre-plan the vlogs and we do whatever to make it funny. So there was a video that was circulating about me without any context. So they've just cut my portion from the vlog. So if you watch the entire vlog, you'll understand what's going on. But you just cut 1 minute of the vlog and it's being shared on TikTok, WhatsApp and YouTube with other headlines, which is misleading to people, right? So the people who are watching it, they don't understand what is happening.
What happened?
So it was necessary for me to share the entire vlog and tell people that this is a vlog and what you're circulating is not the real thing. That's all.
Good luck to Sandeep movie.
Thank you.
This movie.
Thank you.
The shoot on Sandeep's movie.